Heights. This is the entrance to Horizon Heights as soon as you walk in. There's some seating and lights. And then we have a common area downstairs with some table tennis and pool. This is the first common area with lots of seating, perfect to come with your friends or to do some work. Then we have the quiet study room, which is the perfect place to come when you want to leave your room to do some work. There's enough room to come with your friends and be productive together. And there is even a private study room if you want some privacy. This is the Sky Lounge on the 18th floor, which has an amazing view of Liverpool. It is another common area with lots of places to sit, free pool, foosball, and a TV. The couches are perfect to sit and look out at the city, and the desks are perfect to do work when you want a change of scenery, also with an amazing view. The private study room is perfect for group projects or doing work with your friends. And then there's a reading room and a balcony with the most amazing view of the city. This is the kitchen. This is one of the many kitchens that Horizon Heights offers. This is for 10 people. So we have 2 fridges. There's lots of storage. Everyone has at least a cupboard, a shelf in the fridge, and the freezer. And we have an amazing view of the city, which you can't see because it's dark, but I will insert some pictures of the sunset and the view. When you walk into the room, the first door is the bathroom, which has a mirror, storage, and then the shower. And then when you come through here, we have hooks on the wall to hang any of your coats, and then we have the wardrobe. So inside the wardrobe, there's lots of storage at the top, shelves down the side, which you can put anything you want in it, clothes, towels. You also have 2 rails to hang all your clothes. The heater here, which is just controlled by the thermostat if you want to turn it up or down. This is the bed. It has plug sockets underneath and it also has storage. It's a 3/4 size bed. And there's a switch on the wall which controls the light above your bed, so you don't have to get out of bed to turn the lights off. And then we have some shelves at the top which can be used for storage or decoration. So I just keep my jeans and my pants in there and jumpers, but you can also decorate it however you want. There's also a full-length mirror on the wall, which is perfect to check your outfit. This is the desk. There's pinboards above the desk where you can decorate them, put memories from uni on here. I also have a calendar to keep track of work. Then down here we have a chair and some shelving. We also have some drawers as well. I have a double window, which means that I get an amazing view of the city and sunsets when we have them. We also have windows which you can open so you can get some fresh air in.